Hey YouTube, welcome to Credit Viral. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get a personal loan with no credit check, means no hard inquiry and not even a soft pull. So it means no effect on your credit at all. And believe me, they don't even care about your credit. So they're not going to look into it. But remember how you can get it and what are the steps and perks. I'm going to tell you step by step in this video. But before moving forward with this video, I would like to tell you that right after this video I am going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $5,000 personal loan with no credit check at all. So remember to subscribe and click on the bell icon in order to watch that video, because right after subscribing and clicking on the bell icon you will get the notification whenever we upload that video for you. And don't forget that we do deserve a like because it helps us grow the channel, because that's the need of YouTube algorithm. So please support our channel and let's start the video. And don't forget about that $5,000 personal loan with no credit check video coming right after this video. So let's start and see how you can get this loan. So the financial institution which is offering this loan is Commonwealth Federal Credit Union. Yes, this financial institution has been around from several years and they are very famous and generous when we talk about the loans. Yes, so there are some things that you need to consider before applying for this loan. So there are some requirements that you need to fulfill. And how much is the loan, what is the APR, what is the payment term, I'm going to tell you everything step by step. So don't forget to watch this video till the end. So the first thing, that this loan has a fixed rate of 9.99% APR. Yes, it has a 10% APR. So if you compare it with the payday loans or the title loans, this is way less than those evil loans that I can say. And now the second one, that you can borrow up to $1,000. Yes, they give you $1,000. and what I really love about it, that they actually give you 12 months, means a whole year to pay back this loan. Yes, so this is one thing I really like about this loan, because when you talk about the payday loan, that's what they call it, because they call it the alternate to the payday or title loans. So in the payday loans you usually have 2 weeks, 3 weeks or a month, and the APR is super high. Sometimes it's more than 400%, and that is crazy and madness. So I will never ever recommend those loans, because this channel, Credit Viral, and personally myself, I and we care about you. So yes, it's a fixed rate of 9.99%, $1,000 loan with 12 months to pay it back. But what are the requirements? That's the first and the most important question. So the requirements are that you have to be a member in good standing. What it means, so you have to have a checking or savings account with them with no overdrafting. So yes, if you are having a saving or checking account with them with positive balance, so that's their first requirement. So the second one is that you have to have a direct deposit of 500 and more in your checking or savings account. Yes, so whatever you're doing, and it's just in a month, so just let me elaborate it. So what it means, that if you are working for someone and they are paying you, so just let them know that, hey, do the direct deposit in this account, or just set it up yourself, and whatever your income is coming, and I'm pretty sure it will be more than $500. So if it's coming to your account for past 90 days, right? So yes, they require the direct deposit for at least 90 days. So it means that direct deposit of 500 and more should come every month for past 3 months, or you can say 90 days. if you think that you can do that, and I believe 99.9% of the people, this is a peanut when you think about it. If you can just fulfill these two requirements, the third one is actually just an option. And what I mean by option, that you can only get one credit builder loan. Yes, that's what they call it. They call it credit builder loan. But why they call it the credit builder loan? That's the main question. Well, I'm going to tell you right after this. So this is a credit builder loan, and you can only apply for one in a year. Yes, one in a year. For example, is 2020. You can apply for one this year if you already have an account set up with them with 500 and more direct deposit for past 90 days. You can do that. If not, then just open the account, just be with them for 90 days, have a direct deposit for 3 months of 500 and more, and then you can easily apply for this loan and you can get it. But why I'm saying and why they are calling it a credit builder loan, because they do report to the all credit bureau. So what I mean, they report your payments to Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. So this is one thing that I really like about this loan. So to summarize, it's a fixed rate of 9.99%. You can borrow up to $1,000 and then you can pay it in a whole year. The requirements are that you have to be a good standing member. So what it means, your checking account should never go in overdrafting or in negative, and then you have to have an account with them with a direct deposit of 500 and more for at least 90 days, and then you can only get this loan once in a year. So yes, if you think that you can fulfill all of these three very small requirements, actually not even three, it's just two, so these two very small requirements, then you are good to go and you can easily apply for it. So what they say exactly, that if you think that you're actually fulfilling all of these two requirements, then all you need to do, that you need to simply complete their personal loan application online and click on the credit builder option, and then you can get it just in 10 minutes. Isn't it crazy? So yes, right after this video I am going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $5,000 personal loan with no credit check and no personal guarantee and not even a soft pull. So in order to watch that video, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you will get notified whenever we upload that video for you. And don't forget to like this video, it helps this channel grow. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.